Hey everybody, Dr. Rick Wallace dropping in on you. Hope everybody's having an awesome day. Look, I just wanted to pose a real simple question to you. It's not a trick question, it's something for you to really seriously contemplate. At what point in your life, how many years ago, did you come up with the ideas and concepts and beliefs that govern who you are and what you're capable of doing? How long ago was it before you decided that you could or could not do something? You would be surprised at how many people are living their lives right now based off of paradigms that were shaped and created in their lives when they were children. Things that they were told by others or things that they perceived by themselves or within themselves that they could not do something. They never revisited, they never reevaluated it. They simply accepted it as a part of their reality, and it has governed their behavior. It has created the glass ceilings that govern what they will reach for and what they will not, and it has limited their performance in life. Let me tell you something. It is time for you to revisit the paradigms. It's time for a paradigm shift in your life. It is time for you to take on a new idea of what's possible. It's time for you to ask yourself the questions again. What am I truly capable of? Not what my environment has presented to me, not what my primary label givers as a child told me, not what my peers suggested, but what, when I look at myself, inside myself, not the circumstances, not the conditions, not the situations, but the true capacity of my gifting, the true capacity of my nature. What am I capable of? Are they really as many limitations as I believe? Or am I intellectually capable of creating some unbelievable realities? Am I spiritually capable of manifesting some unbelievable realities? Do I have the capacity to bring to me many things that I have truly left out of my desire solely because of what I believed 10 years ago, 20 years ago, 30, 40 years ago? It is time for you to reshift your thinking. It is time to you address the limitations that you have set for your life, because the only true limitations you have are the ones that you believe. Your beliefs are literally setting your limitations, and your beliefs can be changed. This is my challenge to you. Rise up and live at a new height based off of a reevaluation of an old paradigm. It's time for a paradigm shift. I encourage you, take up my Power of Paradigms course, or take my 30-day Your Best Life Challenge. But whatever you do, whether you work with me or not, you've got to shift paradigms. You've got to move out of that old way of thinking. You got to release those old limiting beliefs. I'm challenging you to rise to a new level in life, and I would love to work with some of you guys in helping you accomplish that. The information to reach out to me or to the Visionetics Institute about how you can work with me will be listed in the description box or the post box, and I will look forward to talking with you. You guys have an unbelievable weekend. I'm out.